Raw, rapid, raft, class 3 to 4 whitewater run on the Lütschine. Experience one of Switzerland's most exciting whitewater adventures, rafting on the Lütschine River in the Bernese Oberland. This glacier-fed river is fast, cold, powerful, and full of action from the very beginning. With class 3 to 4 rapids, the Lütschine delivers non-stop waves, spray, and adrenaline all the way down toward the turquoise waters of Lake Brienz. What made this run even more intense, we did it in a small two-person rafting boat instead of a big one. That means every wave feels bigger, every rapid hits harder, and teamwork becomes absolutely essential. There is no hiding in the boat, just two paddlers, the river, and full focus from start to finish.
Yeah, like that's so cool.
Also flipped the raft on purpose, just for fun. Getting back in, however, turned out to be the real challenge, which makes you understand why kayakers invented the Eskimo role. No previous rafting experience is required, but strong swimming skills, active paddling, and good teamwork are a must. With professional guides, a full safety briefing, proper rafting equipment, and safety support on the water, the Lütschine is an unforgettable alpine whitewater experience. Big splashes, pure adrenaline, and an epic finish in Lake Brienz. Would you take on the Lütschine in a two-person raft?